day everyone, welcome to BABA Tutorials. In this video, we will solve a fluid mechanics problem from the book of Yunus A. Sengel and John M. Simbala. Chapter 1, Basic Concepts of Mass, Force, and Unit, Problem 1-33. At 45 degrees latitude, the gravitational acceleration as a function of elevation z above sea level is given by g equal to a minus bz, where a is equal to 9.807 miles per square second and b is equal to 3.32 times 10 raised to negative 6 s raised to negative 2. Determine the height above sea level where the weight of an object will decrease by 1%. So in this problem, we have the given angle 45 degrees. A is equal to 9.807 miles per square second and B is equal to 3.32 times 10 raised to negative 6 s raised to negative 2. For our solution, the variation of a gravitational acceleration above sea level is given as a function of altitude. The height at which the weight of a body decreased by 1% to be determined. So our analysis, the weight of a body at the elevation z can be expressed as weight is equals to mass times gravity is equal to mass times, substituting the value of g, we have mass times a minus bz, where a is equals to g of sub s is equal to 9.807 meter per square second is the value of gravitational acceleration at sea level, and b is equal to 3.32 times 10 raised to negative 6 s raised to negative 2. In our case, we have weight is equal to mass times gravity is equal to mass times a minus bz is equal to 0.99 weight sub s. That is equal to 0.99 mass times gravity. So here we cancel out mass from both sides of the equation and solve for z, yielding z is equal to a minus 0.99 g sub s over b. So substituting all the values, we have z is equals to 9.807 meter per second squared minus 0.99 multiplied by 9.807 meter per square second all over by 3.32 times 10 raised to negative 6 and 1 per square second. So calculating all these values, we get 29,539 meter. So rounding off, we get 29,500 meter. So we have rounded off the final answer to 3 significant digits. That is why we get 29,500 meter. So this is more than 3 times higher than the altitude at which a typical commercial jet flies, which is about 30,000 feet or 9,140 meters. So flying in a jet is not a good way to lose weight. Diet and exercise are always the best bet. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you again in our next one. Happy learning! Happy learning!